In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get unlimited dice in Monopoly Go, sharing some useful tips and tricks along the way. Whether you're an avid player trying to maximize your gameplay or simply curious about enhancing your gaming experience, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's start by heading over to Monopoly Go on your device. Once you've launched the app, you'll want to turn on airplane mode. This is a crucial step because it temporarily disconnects your device from the network, which plays into several tactics we'll explore. After activating airplane mode, return to the game and roll the dice. Enjoy your turn as you normally would. Remember, the goal here is to exploit the offline dynamics of the game to your advantage. After capturing the rewards from that roll, it's time to switch off airplane mode, reconnecting your device to the network. Now re-enter Monopoly. Go on the app. Notice your progress and rewards as you're brought back online. Our next move will be turning on airplane mode once again, which will set up our strategy for further steps. Before doing this though, ensure that you've secured your rewards from the last round. After turning airplane mode back on, exit the game entirely. Simply navigate to your home screen and relaunch the Monopoly Go app. Once in the app again, click on the eye icon. This will lead you to the settings or information section. Here, you'll want to toggle remove permission if app unused to ensure the settings can automatically adjust for future usage scenarios. Then navigate to the storage section. A confirmation pop-up may appear. Make sure to click on it to allow any necessary storage configurations. With these settings managed, head back to airplane mode and turn it off. Reconnect your device to its network and return to the Monopoly Go mobile app. When you open the app again, verify that your connection is active. If prompted, click on Agree to proceed. Next, you'll want to click on Play with Friends. This feature not only enhances your gaming experience, but also refreshes certain in-game elements. Confirm by clicking OK, and then proceed to Load Account. At this point, the settings and steps you followed should yield the benefit of more dice